Show someone just how much they mean to you. Our bracelet stacks add that perfect oomph to any outfit, and our custom tumblers are the perfect way to show love to the people you cherish. Choose your color, your style, add your personal touch, like the day you first met, or the first song you danced to together with your boo. Be as corny as you want, unapologetically. Every day is the perfect day to spread love. Order your personalized gifts today by visiting www.charmedandtrends.shop. We promise you'll love your gift of a lifetime. Scouts Honor.
Welcome back to the vlog. Speak my mind, family. Welcome back. It's a brand new week. Monday, one of the day enough of we working class people don't like to see. Even some schoolers don't like to see this day. But as I say, me in the studio lab. Yes man, for that one yeah. Yes man, the studio lab for that one yeah. Oh people, the pepper leaf upon the forehead and oh Pearline or Pearl Campbell, something like so. I see in a comment man I say me for go a doctor, but really and truly this is a method that I have been using and see people using from a tender age. I mean a 50 odd. And it works. You hear people talk about the black lotion. Yeah, but you see the castor oil and the pepper leaf, it too work. Alright, you see the first night I rub like up on it because I couldn't pick the pepper leaf because at night and them say I must pick bush at night. And I just want the castor oil and put on it. You see the morning I wake up I see difference. In the evening I put on the pepper leaf on it and warm some more castor oil again and I see difference again. And it is getting there. Me just go and put it on it now until probably tomorrow evening. Let's see when I can get squeezed, if it can squeeze and get anything out of it. But it work Pearl. And me is not the person who love to go a doctor. I like to use the old time methods first and give myself a certain time. Like days to see if there's any changes. If there's no changes, I'm see like it get worse, then I will go to the doctor. Some people might say it might be too late them time then. But growing up, if me never did I do that, doctor would have milk me like a cow. Because there is some sickness where everybody, some people just run to a doctor for everything when them can just drink the clother busha, drink the clother tea there, or you know, go a shop, go buy two over the counter pill and take and everything is okay. Them run to a doctor and waste doctor money. And like I know like some of them have it, but them just feel like say doctor is the best place. Sometimes you can try some old time home remedy and it does work. And everything you have to run to a doctor for. Because all the way you go a doctor find out, them not natural enough. And there's a lot of natural remedies out there where you can use for certain things. But as me I say, bless up to all who care about the little boy upon the forehead there and things like Miss Campbell and stuff like that. It a come on man. If it never come on, me go on a doctor long time. Because one at a time, remember me I shown you said the swelling from which part of the boil there come right down in my face. And me I say, what is now? Me no want to wake up one man and see it come over me eye and I cover me eye. I'm going to go so man start take 2 cataflam. Within 2 days the swelling start go away till me start use this now and it'll get the better of the boil itself. It'll come along. But anyway, back to what we are saying. Today Monday coming like is a Wasp day. Yeah man, can we come across 2 videos. I don't want to do the 2 of them in a one. But it's like 2 different scenarios. So basically, me go do the last one by itself and add something else to it. Yeah. Me now go tell you now what I go add to it, but there is something else I go add to the last video of the Wasp in the evening. How now I get 2 videos this evening, you know. The only way I don't get 2 videos this evening unless internet or current gone and I can upload the video. But people, oh first, you know what to do. Like, share. It's so easy. Remember the new talk that we are run with. Every video me do on the 2 channel, I want to see it in the comment. So easy. Yeah man. Until we are beat them bad, We just say so easy. Yes, man. So, only just do the do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. It is so easy. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Pin, go ahead and give her a subscription. And please remember, the cash app is not $ Life is a Mission right now because some technical difficulties. I asked the permission of the same Gabby and her mom from Charms and Trends that I'm asking you please to go over on Instagram, check out the business page, Charms _and_trends. See what you like over there, drop na them DM and enter the website. You know, Charm, full word, no underscore, Charm and Trends .shop is the website. And just order something like your cheap it is. Alright, just order something and support because they are very supportive. We don't even forget over it again unless someone is a new subscriber just joined today or yesterday. They come on board and support my little back to school. If you just come on board, you can go over Life is a Mission TV and you can see that back to school for September, which is a small little thing because remember the channel is small, you know, but me just do what me can do and think. Plus last year when they did actually they will start selling up yet, they still reach out and send me a mug, customized, Speak My Mind Entertainment and One Nation. Yeah, you want to see me advertise every day. Yeah, man. That is not even a mug, that is a bucket because they know me drink enough. So me I beg you just go over there and support them business. You understand? So I feed them cash up me I use temporarily right now, $ Charms and Trends. And if you wish to support where you wish to give me, you know me take the gift and me give back to the needy. Just like how I'm trying to reach his fridge. Yes, I see like I'm getting there. A few people, you know, it might not big like a tree, a Christmas tree, yeah, but it is getting there, and I hope that I can reach there before even next month end. Right? Yes, but it is taking the time getting there. All right, and bless up all the people them who are sending them $. Yes, bless up on yourself. Bless up that subscriber today also, which is today Sunday, that reach out to me. Yes, man, every dollar count. So nobody tell you know say it not big but me can send you one $20. You know say it not big but me can send you one $10. You know the only way probably you're supposed to feel that way for $10 is this you send somebody a Western Union for $10 and them still not give nothing for put on, but you don't know. Some people are gonna say me I got Western Union for $10. But if I have $5 and you have cash up, you send it to the cash up. And I think the Charms and Trends also have a Zelle. So if you don't use cash up or not have Zelle, you can just reach out and just get the Zelle and go to the Zelle. Yes. So you can just reach out at 876-221-9789. Alright? And if you don't have none of that, reach out same way. Or you can give me so I can take the gift and give back to the needy. No greedy around here, needy. And I don't say, I just want to get this for 6 or 8 cubic feet to this little towel basic school. Yes. Anyway, people, as I said, today is like the Wasp day. Me hear the Wasp come out at $1.99, and me have to wonder what you know where we out here then. We not more even say 99 ourselves. We out here don't know, or we is a stranger to what you're saying. So me have to wonder if there is something she know more than us or more than 99 ourselves. Because you're not speaking anything new what we don't know. You understand? Plus, me hear you talk about man, this, man, that, and woman. Quick coffee forgive the man them more than forgive the woman them, and wait. You see? The second video for the evening with this Wasp woman is about HTK again. But me now get in it, me now try to show a little point here. And she's trying to flag HTK, saying HTK is doing something for probably her own gain. She have a motive then for what she's doing. And she iron out all the different things. Why would you be doing this if you said you support this woman and you this and you Tara? Alright, we're not getting to that part there right now. Most of you know what is going on there. But you come out here and in this video and many other videos to try to tear down a wall that you and show your word on a wall that you also help and put cement pan for cast blocks. Yes, You use it, the privilege to come on your platform, show your word over one fence where you help build, and at the same time try to use what is going on in social media where Dana name is concerned at times, you know, and try to use that to tear down such man, which is the number man. And remember now, you was one of the builder over there. Me don't know if you was a carpenter, me don't know if you was a steel man, me don't know if you was a laborer where a mix mortar or a carry bucket, and me never know if you are a mason. But you are one of them who help build the wall. What position did it have? I don't know. I don't know if you was a laborer or a tradesman. You must know which part you fall. But you help build the wall. So why each time you come out here on your platform, you try to use the differences where these two people have now? You understand? To try to show something out there in the atmosphere. I don't understand you. But at the same time, you're doing actually the same thing on your platform, and I try to tell the woman a fair platform, which is HDK, your mind, your thought, and what she's doing. But you're not looking at yourself, say, whether at the same level, higher level, or lower level, is the same thing you are doing on your platform. All time people that say, pick the ayayay before you. One artist said, pick the beam out of your eye before you chatting on my face. I think Abuja Bantan did say it. Yes, man, pick the beam out of your eye before you come out and come chatting on nobody's face, man. When you come out and come talk about social media and on a job, when you depend on social media money, and someone just come out and come, when you vlog all 6, 7, 8 times for the day, one more time for the day, one more time. And social media is not your job. But social media is a lot of people's job. And me want the day come when social media is my job. Because by them time they may present jobs that me hire my own self. Remember that though. Me hire my own self. When me I do, me already accumulate money where me can put my hand on at any time. So if this job when me I go get in and now full time, when me can just lie down on my bed, turn on my AC when sun at a daytime, lie down, now fi go road, now fi go nowhere, now fi do nothing, now fi take no call, I bring money come. So if you fall within some level where money kind of gets slow upon it, me already have my hard working money where me go sweat for. You understand where me can put me hand pan? But the whole of it, you know what millionaire out here right now, when I do not know a social media pay them, well TikTok just come, but YouTube, eh? So every day when I come about me want the day when disappear me full time, when me can rely upon it. But when me I say, if this is not your job, and you not come out your heart enough, it's because you don't have any content. And it is evident because you don't have any content that you know the supporters want to hear. Reason being, if you check your content when you come out here, majority of the time you talk foolishness. Majority of the time you talk foolishness. Even this video that you do, at this present moment I'm seeing this video, you have 1,586 views, 36 likes. You know why you have so much views? It's because of your caption. Because of the caption. Not no wrong. Your caption and your thumbnail is what you use to, you know, catch people and elevate your channel from a level to a different level. But once you're not clickbaiting, which I don't think you're clickbaiting here, you know, don't say I'm saying you're clickbaiting here, because your caption is what actually you're saying in your video, so it cannot be a clickbait. But it's the caption why you are, like I said, your title why you have this amount of views. And you come out here and do the same thing where you tell people must do or say people I do. People, make a list of the warning where she have for 99. I want to tell me if this is anything new, or something we don't know or aware of, or 99 don't know or don't aware of.
You guys today, right? And my main topic actually is going to be on Miss D and Selonie relationship and situation, right? And the reason why I want to touch on this, because it is out there right now, right? It's trending right now. Everybody have questions. Everybody say, Ms. D, you need to cut ties with Selonie.
How much years they are saying that?
Stop entertaining her. Stop
2
giving her
years or
money.
3 years now.
So it's a big issue that's
nothing
going on,
new.
right? It's also been talks out there saying that Ms. D is using Selonie for content and to make money off of her, and they think that is completely wrong because this is a mentally challenged person that they feel is being used by Ms. D.
Stick up in there. This is one I think make me take up the video and want to dissect it. Because every video you do, you feel like every video, so much video you do. For the past couple of days, I mean, I look on them. Me how much what you have over there. Oh, you have certain people. Yes, you can't come run with it. Yes, me don't never come run out. Me not run out because me don't need to run out. But this video, me need to run, walk and slide and glide and do everything pan all buckle and nail to reach out. You are going to say, they are having it out there that yes, people are say it. People in a comment are say it all over. But you might just have said the same thing. That's the reason why you come out and take it on your platform and say it, because you might think in just the same way. But stick up in. If people can't have Selonie downtown and all about, just see a cheap back suit because them not buy her $1,000 lunch. Probably I want like a 500 of them gear if you buy one juice or one tree or one $400 lunch. Or them gear 2 bag water. Where a water, most of them bag water they are straight from the pipe. No filter. No, what you call it, like your spring water, no spring water or filtered water, straight from the pipe. Remember when me I walk bus years ago when bag water just a come in, right up a West Street, it's a top side the bus stop in a one yard. Them just take the bag them, have the water in the bucket. Sometimes I think one time in the bill all one pipe, and then just bag the water them. And just have one iron something what with them plug in and then just boom and seal up the bag straight from the pipe. So all them they sit there them gonna buy Selonie, not the qualitable, not the suitable. And them have Selonie all bout pan tic-tac, sick-tac, wick-tac, zag-tac, all kind of tac them have Selonie pan. And most of them are make money off of Selonie. So what if Dana even take her and make money off her? Then I use our platform and build one big old mansion girl. Furnish it. You understand? Feed her how much time out our own pocket. Not doing as money now, our own pocket. So Lene go a rush mark, go up my bill. Say Dana will pay. Miss Debbie take it gear because she knows some way, somehow she will get paid. And at the same time, at a certain level, I feel like Miss Debbie just take on to Miss Selonie and I tell her, say, boy, choy. I go and draw a line. She come one she have one little sit me around at one little $2,000 or $3,000. We now go mash her up. We give her something. You understand? She might draw a line. To me, I'm not busy whether I pay for or not pay for. So when you come out here, come say this, you and who talk, sit on down. You understand? Sit on down. Dana are the right person if so be the case to use Selonie if you make money on social media because she have give back a lot to Selonie. What not talk about all of the people that make she dress up like mad, somebody that uno can come on social media and say she mad. Just to put her on TikTok and all about pan zigzag and fix zag. What not talk about them the people that are user and now give her nothing more than like a $300 back suit. Me never know say sofa still down at town. Probably one of them little cat man there walk and sell little stew chicken back and little white rice and 2 bag of water where they value $500. How much $1,000 Dana take up gear? Both when she takes sick, when she hungry, when she want grocery, when she want this. So what if Dana use her on social media? Answer the question. All that you should even come out here, come and highlight. Make who want say that. You not supposed to say that because you highlight something where we all know about, but it never need you to come out here come highlight it. Just like how you are said such woman highlight certain things, and if she are right for Dana, she should not highlight and say these things. So why you come here? You're not right for Dana, but you don't need to come out here come highlight this. But what are the same thoughts you have? Are the same thing in your intention? So Dana, you Selonie to make money off of social media. From then I've known Selonie until now. One Selonie turn up a 99 camera on. Because Selonie is this jovial person at times, away from when, you know, she make that little money disease they take her. You understand me? I say away from when the money disease she have take her. Selonie, everybody in a planka shop like to hear Selonie until she get in that mood there. Some people get disgust with her. And by the time she walk and go around and come around and then fling her around, lock her out, hide her run. Selonie take her time and come right back around and everybody in a planka shop love her again. All who do say run her done with her no. She just come right back around because she just have her little way. So when you come and highlight this is nothing that we don't know. And there's furthermore and more things she got highlight which we know already, but she never need to come out here come highlight it. So I wanna listen.
To make content and money.
If you want walk and want
now, I'm
banana
gonna come
chips.
back to that because that is my main topic. But I want to touch on this real quick, and I want to say this real quick. I want to address some people in my comment section that whenever I post something concerning either Miss D or I post something that someone is saying about Miss D, they have an issue with that, right? They're stating like, oh, you're so mix up, and why you have to repost that on your page and da-da. First of all, let me say this. I'm not aligned to no one in particular on social media. I've disaligned
That's
myself
true because
from
everybody
one
will
side
align
or
with them around
another
you.
a long time ago.
Apple J people
and that's
and
exactly
banana
how it's
chips.
gonna remain. That's
When I
not
want to see the
going to
big plate
change,
of food,
right?
I'm not in the
I
half
am a
hour
free
ago.
thinker. It is my platform.
Oh people, I forgot as I talk about this, I forgot to say this. I have an apology to make. Something on the next channel. I have an apology to make. I'm going to put out a public apology. I'm going to do the apology tonight and post it in the morning. First thing in the morning, early morning apology. I'm not going to even say what the apology is about, but it's based on the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. So I will post a public apology on the backup channel as daylight. 8 o'clock now pass, I'm going to post the apology in the morning. Because I make sure I do it from tonight and upload it so you can post it by 8 in the morning. It's a public apology and something that a short public apology, not no long video. But instead of me writing in my community, I want to do it like me in front of Uno and the public. I apologize. So let's go along now.
It is my supporters.
Someone might know what the apology is about.
Subscribers,
if you
want
not
to
follow
call it, they
the
follow
channel.
my page. They're the one that I cater to. And as a blogger, you have to give your audience what they desire, because in my bio it says mix up, pasa, and blem, right? It did not say I'm having a church service. It did not say this is a spiritual platform. No, it said mix up.
Yes. That's why when you can't find a content and you yourself come in the kitchen and I burn you, you don't come out here come cry for no peace. Run away from it. Leave it alone. Because you were one of the foundation of the mix up out here. You understand? You were one of the foundation of the mix up out here. So if it not work in your favor now because you have get kicked from every side that you run and every angle that you go, just relax and enjoy the ride. If you have to stay up and look over, stay up and look over. And if you have to stay on and look up, you do that. But now come out here, come go on like, oh, I am not a born again. I am a born Christian, not born again. And I'm coming straight from heaven, from Father God arms. And this is what He wants you all to do. Or this is what you want we to do. Remember, you was a foundation of the mix-up. So if the mix-up gone past you and reach a higher class and stage where you can't manage because right now you're not affiliated to no stable group or organization or platform. take yourself and go hide yourself somewhere nobody no want to see you. Don't come out here come dictate what you want and really, but at the same time you come and point out where your channel is not about family this and family. But when the mix up a go on and it's in your favor, you come out and go on like you want to cry peace. We know you don't want a peace. I've been saying this day in, day out. Anyway, continue to talk because there's probably a lot more to say.
I'm blem. So therefore, that is the type of content that I will put up on my page, because if that's not what they wanted, they would not have followed me. By the way, thank you for all the followers that have, joined my platform or following me. I appreciate every last one of you. I'm now up to 7,000 followers. I really and truly appreciate it. But if this is not the type of platform that you want, and if you don't like to see anything concerning any form of mix-up or drama, I would kindly ask you just to remove yourself, okay? No need to come underneath my comment section trying to dictate to me what I should have on my platform, who I should put up on my platform, or when I should put it up on my platform. I will put anybody that I deem to put up on my platform, and that included Miss D. She's trending, right? She's been trending for the past 5 years now. And anybody who is a blogger, a news reporter, a news anchor, they will always trend or talk about a story of anything that is trending at the moment. It's not her fault that she's been trending for 5 years, right? So, yes, that is who I will put up on my platform. Give her kudos, give her roses, whatever it is that I feel to give her, I will put it on my platform. And that also include other bloggers that you see that I put up on my platform, okay? So it's not just her that I put on my platform. So please, if you don't like what I put on my platform, if you don't like the type of stuff that I post, just gracefully just remove yourself and keep it moving. Alright? Alright.
You see how life go? But you want to come out here, come tell people what to put on their platform and what to post on their platform. These are the things that I talk about with you. You understand? You find fault of things that people post on them platform. And when people are find fault of where you are post on your platform, and the fault that people are find, most of them are crap. They're nothing of substance. You just feel like come out here, come talk because you're against that person. You just feel like come out here, come talk because if you talk something way about that person, you might get some relevancy, you might get some attention. So you just come out here and talk. But you don't want nobody to tell you say that's crap, but you have to tell people where to post and where to be. You understand? No mix up, tell her to mix up, man. Make a piece, this, that. And deep down you don't want that because the mix up broke out your hair night. PP pluck.
Wait, guys, let's get back now to Miss D and Selonie's situation. First of all, everybody already know how we all met Selonie, right? And it's through Miss D's Good Deeds program that she was introduced to us.
What
all
you
of you guys fell in love with
say
Selonie. You fell in love with her because she was funny, she was jovial. You never know what's gonna come out of her
mouth.
Everybody's always keenly listening to see what next Selonie gonna come with, right? And she became like somewhat of a favorite on that platform. Now, when Selonie did what she did, and she was influenced by either others or influenced by just she deciding to do what she did concerning Miss D and came out and say the things she did, okay, she fell off of grace, right? And everybody turned, well, not everybody, but majority of the planks turned against her and no longer wanted to support her, be around her, or Miss D to be associated with her. Miss D is a grown woman.
What if you know, say, most, as I said earlier, most of these people who might shun her sometime when she get on top of them nerves. There's a lot of these people know that cheer her and see me. There's a lot of these people know that still send her $1 or $2 if Dana say reps up. So the same love Dana have for her, despite the person she proven she is, when it come on to money, you understand? Which you gonna get to the point that I'm gonna get to it also. she still have love for her. You understand? No cure she try to love her from a distance, slowly and find that way to come back, right back. But as I say, it not stop you as a people. More want to listen, more want to tell me also what she know, what we don't know. Because it'll get deeper, you know. The conversation will get deeper. Till it reach a stage where she thinks say analyzing can go on. So I'm not listen. I'm not gonna away. Don't find this video boring. I want to listen. Remember, I am here to break down things too, you know. Find sieve it, make you have like more understanding now when just listening to run through the big sieve. Alright, when you run through the big sieve, you drop in a corner, the bucket and all about the eye. When it finds sieve, it's there right on the top, you can see everything. So you will know everything.
She's very smart, intelligent, calculative. She knows exactly what she's doing. And if Miss D felt some form of way concerning Selonie, I'm sure she would have never brought her back in front of her camera, and she would never continue to be supporting her, and she would never continue to ask for help for her every now and again. She would not have been doing that, okay? And you have to understand, there's a lot of people in social media that have done this lady wrong, terribly wrong, even worse than what Selonie have done. And if you guys are able to embrace them.
Remember the part of me I talk about, she are one of them who help build the fence, but now she want to shoot down the fence, and she use every opportunity she get where Planka Nation, Planka Shop, and Planka Boss is concerned to try to shoot down the fence. You understand? But remember now, the man over there so has made fence with the woman who live behind the fence. You understand what I say to you? So when me I say, leave that alone. If you want to get to your farmer boss for whatever reason, use your platform and get at your boss and say what you want to say. You understand? Don't come out here and try to use over your son to tear him down when you was a part of over this so I help tear down over your son. You were a tradesman or a laborer over there at one point. Oh no, listen, you know. Listen what she a try to say herself. Because she not talk nobody else but such man.
Hug them and welcome them in your circle after Miss D decides to forgive them, then what's the difference with Selonie? And there's one thing I noticed in social media is that the men, all the men in social media, no matter how disgraceful they are, and no matter what they have done to Miss D and said about Miss D, you guys seems to be able to quickly more forgive the men than you are to forgive the woman. And it's mainly a woman that's doing that.
So she a flag all on the woman, you know, because basically her point of what she a make, as me done say, is her farmer boss. Because he's the main man out here that him and Miss D did have that little thing. Him did have that little thing going when the whole of them are fueling him. And him and Miss D made them fences. No, she used to over there, she get kicked out. She run all about, them lock her out. So it's like she obsessed with the progress of what going on. Probably the time that she expects, oh, he will go right back. As she say in a one video, just make Miss D say something with him not like and see if he not go right back there and start deep upon her again. But probably it not happen. It within a time where she wants to happen, she's so obsessed. You understand? Because all them attack are unnecessary. Miss D will forever love Selonie, whether from far, near, or whatsoever. It's genuine love. And it's a genuine love, no matter what you do. When you genuinely love somebody, not care what them do you might avoid them, you might stay far from them. But you see, as soon as you see them, or you even hear something wrong with them, there's a different feelings come over you. Me don't know if you don't ever love, all like you ever love anybody genuinely yet. When you genuinely love somebody, that genuine love can't leave you no matter what them do you. You might just keep them at a distance, and where you might make sure you do. If you see them and come your way, you hide because you don't want the feelings that will come over you, you know. So you make sure you hide them because you keep them at a distance. It is very hard for 99 to keep Selonie at a distance. Selonie will just creep up on 99 like a thief in the night when she not expect her. We have seen it over and over. You understand? So when you come out here, come talk your crap, man. Come on, it don't make no sense. We know all the way you talk about. We understand. You don't feel like 99 herself understand. Anyway, I could get to the part where I really want to know what she hear or know.
It's like you guys have some form of self-hate.
Long time to do things.
Jealousy and bad mind concerning women that's either close to Miss D or trying to get close to Miss D, or you know, Miss D decides to forgive. You guys seem to have a problem with it, but when it comes to the men, you guys will quickly embrace them, quickly forgive them, and quickly welcome them back into the circle. Why is that? Now, Selonie, yes, she does have some form of, appears to have some form of mental something going on, because no normal person in their right mind will do or say some of the things that she does, but she do, and she says it, right? And Miss D is aware of it. She's well aware of it, right? And if Miss D decides to take her back into her circle somewhat, and Selonie start to portray the same kind of behavior that she did in the past, she's now portraying it again, and you guys are now becoming concerned about the relationship between Miss D and Selonie because of what you guys are observing. I will say, well, okay, you have a right to feel the way you do. But at the end of the day, the final decision on whether she stay in connection or has some form of association with Selonie has to come from Miss D. She has to be the one to put her foot down and finally say, no more. I will not bring you back in front of my camera. Please do not come to my house. Please do not come to my gate. She has to be the one to act.
At this point of the video, I'm kind of confused what she's getting across. Because when she started the video, you know, remember, you know, she said people have it out there, so that I use Selonie to make money off of social media, XYZ. And Selonie is, and she should not do it. But there's a few seconds coming down to where I stop the video right here. She's talking as if, oh, it's okay. Because man can get forgiveness, why woman can't get it. And people them who are giving man the forgiveness will do all these things, they are all women. So why are you fighting against a woman from getting forgiveness? And she come down right there, so like she's okay with Selonie being around Lancashire. But remember how she started the video? People saying this, I mean, I say probably you have it not your intention. So you confuse yourself. Alright?
So they put her foot down and make sure that doesn't happen, because she has put her foot down before where Selonie was no longer allowed to even come up inside the lane. What says to even come to her house? So I know she has the power and the ability to do that. And if she chooses not to do that, she must have a reason why. But Miss D, I'm going to say this to you. And this is going to be a serious
That's
talk,
what I want
okay?
to know what she know.
It doesn't matter what you guys going to rush out and say. You know I don't care.
She switch back now, you know. At the top of the video is like she was saying Miss D forget get Selonie out her sight and done with her car people and she use the term people are set. She a use her. Which me see it all over in some comments, yes. And people are talk so. But she never need to come out today. Then in the middle now, just before I get no me stop the video, it's like she's okay because if you can't forgive man, why you can't forgive Selonie? But listen which part she gone back now. She have a serious warning from Miss D. Me I wonder, cause me say no, a whole heap of them stay foreign and try to get to Selonie. For use money and conquer Selonie because them know Selonie is a money germs. And once them say money, Selonie ready. But me could talk after she done talk.
Queen B still is gonna speak her mind.
No one know where you know where we not know.
What she observed and what she sees. And just as a disclaimer, like I always say, anything I say on my platform is my own personal opinion. It does not make it the gospel truth. It is my opinion, and I have a
Many
right
don't
to
say
it.
that, but that things want to hear and know. And it's a part of the organization.
When it comes to Selonie,
We are planning with
I
them a
want
plan.
to tell you this directly because I'm going to tell you whatever I see and feel in my spirit, right?
But you know, one nobody say, boy, you
You're
didn't know
in a
about it.
very sensitive and dangerous position with Selonie. And the reason why I'm
What
going to
none of you
say
now listen,
this,
yes, sir.
yes, you have noticed, because you have said it on your live, that Selonie have the spirit of begging. She has the spirit of the love of money. She has the spirit of greed. She has the spirit of not being
Who a follow Planka shop when I know that? Which one now follow Planka shop when I know that? What's new? That not new.
That clothes her. She has no sense of loyalty to none of them, and that includes you, Miss D.
That not new. We know all of that.
And not because she goes around and speak about how much she loves you, sing songs about Donna me love you, Donna me love you. No matter how she go around and sing that type of song and professes her love for you every day, every chance she get, Miss D, the love of money and greed will override how she feels about you. So if someone comes to Selonie right now, and I'm speaking like how I see it in my spirit, and someone
Why your
comes to
spirit are telling this
Selonie
negativity?
right now and offer her $250,000,
You all name the money.
$150,000, $1 million Jamaican to unalive you, she will do it. Yes, that is what Queen B is letting you know now.
You see it in your spirit, you get spiritual, sir. So you never see when they go say about Marcia, she go say XYZ. You never see say such over him camp. You never say everybody that got turn against you where you run to. You never see that. But you see where you spiritual I see. As me I say, and I ask a question, where you know, where Planka boss don't know and we Planka don't know. Tell we. Because this is no spiritualness. Is it that you are here whispering around there because as me say, you try to pay Selonie more than one time to do no damage you don't want to do. But let me tell you something honestly, people. You see Selonie, I feel Selonie genuinely love Donna. But in a sense, Selonie love money also. Selonie will never ever refuse money. Based on what we see. But I don't think, despite she won't refuse money based on what we see, no one can come to her and bribe her. Because you make sure you go ice some, you know. Where you know say she probably don't want to refuse that. You know, go one like 10 or 20,000, you know. Here where you go 250,000, 500,000, 1 million. So you want to make it look as if yeah. But what me I say, I don't think nobody can really come to Selonie with money unless at them time that she might out her, you know, if you have like a sickness take her And when that sickness will take it naturally, she might not aware of what she do. But with Selonie and her medication and have that consciousness about her, I don't think nobody can use money to get Selonie if it do that what you are talking about. When I've tried to use money to get her to tell her things, cuss Dana and all these things. But the part the way you talk about, Selonie love Dana too much. And me not go say, true she love her, she won't do it. But you have your spirit, me have my own. Me not feel like it would reach at the stage there. Because me don't know why your spirit have to come tell you that. You are the same person. What I say, the woman them in a social media or the woman them in a planka shop, nah give no woman no chance. But them quick figure the man them chance to dip up on a 99 and dip up on a this year and that fear. And you're saying all this on behalf of this same woman. What you flip-flopping at this video, yeah? About this minute they run at the corner around there, so I say so, and then you come back around and so I say that. You understand what I say to you? This same woman Selonie, you know. You come now, I say, your spirit I tell you. So if your spirit I tell you X, Y, Z, if the planka female them decide say, them now forgive Selonie then, for whatever reason, and Selonie if it go, why you object to it earlier on in your video? If all of your spirit I tell you this, and you're trying to tell 99 if you beware of Selonie, keep Selonie far, keep her at a distance, love her from a distance. So why you come out here want to chastise the planka ladies who are saying that if you leave Selonie alone, put her one side, keep her far, love her from a distance? Eh? All because you want to use the opportunity to go at your former boss. Because you're saying, if you can't forgive man, we dip up on her and did this, why you can't forgive woman? And the thing about it, that you appear woman. You understand? So you're saying that they might defend the man before them defend the woman. But here you, with what your spirit I tell you, you should be one of the women who are join the rest of women. Them say, yes, Dana, get rid of her. My spirit I tell me, say them I got PR money. If I don't know, you already know something or hear something. You understand? So you are flip-flopping at the video, lady. Lady, you are flip-flopping in the video. But it is all clear why you are flip-flopping, because you come out here with two motives. You understand? A two motive you come out here with, you know. Yes, man. That's why you are flip-flop.
She will do it. The love of money and the greed will override any form of feeling she may have for you, any form of loyalty that she may think she has for you. It will override it. Selonie will take that money, come up to your gate, befriend you, laugh and dance and make you feel comfortable
you yourself at work for?
And
What if it's something you yourself open for? You're not gonna see. I rebuke you in the name of the Lord. I rebuke you and who are think about that and the spirit we are telling you that in the name of the Lord. Send back that spirit right back to the sender with his message.
Why would you say something like that? But I'm telling you,
we are send back that spirit, they will come to you with the message to the sender
to unalive you. Because no one could get that close to you than a person like Selonie. No one right now that I see can make you feel that comfortable for you to allow them into your close space than Selonie. And if you're not careful, and if you're not being wise, and if you're not making good decisions when it comes to Selonie, I am telling you, be careful. Be careful. The devil has been after you from the point where they realize that you're becoming a celebrity on social media by helping and
The era,
helping the students and helping people build it.
on the era, warning Dana to be careful of Selonie. The same Selonie where Uno, she said, I try fight, but you not pick up for your man because Uno no want to forgive Selonie for what she have done, but you not forgive a man. You hear her? This is why me I tell you, this is why me out here find out. Because when them come and them blow all of these utterance out, shoop, shoop, shoop. Like when the US warship them a shoop, shoop after the sea carrier. Only not have the time to see where I go and because it moves so fast. Me break it down and make you get a full understanding and have a different perspective towards what you hear first. You understand? Yeah, man.
Houses and this and that, whatever. You're doing a great work by helping people, regardless of what anybody wants.
We don't want your compliment. You never see that when you fight against her upon the other sides. Not just one.
These people are getting the help that they need. So don't watch what the noise out there is saying. You have not been watching it for the past 5 years, and you're going to continue to not watch what the noise out there is saying. These people are actually getting the help. These students are actually going to school. These kids are actually getting their school tuition paid, and that's all matters. And we don't care, at least I don't care where the money came from or what you're doing with the money. Because I did not donate a dime, a penny, or a cent. So therefore, that is none of my business. I don't care how it comes. I just appreciate and really love the fact that these people are getting the help that they need. People are getting houses where they no longer have to be on the streets or living into a deplorable...
At this point in a Dana life, I'm planka shop. We know want your flowers. We don't want your artificial rose. Keep it. And to make matters worse, and no Valentine's yet. Keep your artificial flowers. We don't want that. All the days before now, what she do never good. When she were building houses, it never good. When she were giving so much people food. When make it possible from our platform and our donors, it never good. So why now? How where the difference now? Eh? What's the difference now? All them time that when you the other places I take with our flowers. You never know. Say it was good she doing. What's the difference now? That's my main question. Why you want to offer her flowers now? What's the difference now? You're so protective of her. What's the difference now? Spirit I talk to you and I tell you things. You becomes a messenger now. I will serve courier service you work with. Me never know say you becomes messenger now. Spirit I give you a message you carry come. What? The spirit afraid to come up Mountain View. Mountain View calm you now. So you can send the spirit to go deliver the message themselves. Cool you too. But you come and give flowers. We don't want your flowers. Your flowers them dry up and want water.
Situation because you have made it comfortable for them. So the outcome to me is going to have to outweigh anything else. But I'm telling you, you need to be careful when it comes to Selonie. You need to make better wise decisions of how much of an association you continue to have with her. Love
get
her
hot after
from
it's so bleaky like rain I go fall.
I love the photos that you guys took in the church. She looked good, she looked beautiful, she looked well, she looked healthy. And yes, whenever you come around, Selonie seems to get better. But you have to understand there is still a fine line between love and obsession. It's a fine line between...
Why they went down there foreign and they Selonie I do a little skit to make her a little dollar, a little back $300 food and 2 bag water. You know what, I want to sit down and cuss Dana. Say Dana make Selonie mad. I remember when Dana meet Selonie have her sickness, you know. But it come like someone don't remember the condition. And it seems like Dana fi stay a foreign and maintain Selonie all when she not there. Because me never know say Selonie a Dana relative. Remember, Selonie have a daughter America, you know. And she have other relatives. And even when she were living in that deplorable condition with her son at a tender age, they did not show any form of sympathy for her. No matter what the condition, if even the son them could have taken and make she go and live for her life, and if he want to come see her when him feel like see her, him come see her. And not even that them never do. Selonie is not the only member of her family up and alive. She have daughter America. She have family a so yard, if not all family abroad. So how no make it look like say Selonie is a part of Dana gingeration. Not generation, you know, gingeration. Eh? Dana for response to Selonie for the rest of her life. And now the woman there yard, Selonie looking up and looking well and all these things. It's still a problem. Dana use her to make money. But who is better off using her in making money? Selonie is sure to benefit from that money that I make. All of them will make the money off of Selonie on TikTok. We are go viral video. You feel you me a talk Queen was. You feel like buying Selonie one little $300 curry chicken back or $1 $300 brown stew chicken back and 2 bag water is enough? Out of where they might make off of the video from Selonie. When them make she dress up like masquerade we come left Mountain View come all the way a town. Eh? Yo, at them you have to talk about. At them you have to come highlight. You should even come out and come highlight this. If it, as me say, it a talk out there, but you should even come here on your platform, come highlight this. Because the amount 99 have dip in her pocket and give to her. Put away what donors have done for her in building her house, furnish it and give her food. There is so much 99 has done for her on camera and off camera. Remember, you know, Selonie come here, come tell us she got a rush, man, go take things from Dana Bill, you know. Miss Debbie a too. Yes, man, she have $1 billion, man. But to me know it must pay no matter what. And Dana Basota laugh. You're there. You're there. I don't know, like a year there. So easy. Selonie say Miss Dana we pay for it. You see what I talk about? So easy. You don't remember them things there. You understand? But you don't come and highlight Dana put her up on camera. From day one, Dana put her up on camera, so you never say this all along when Osa Bill. Eh? You never say this all along when Osa Bill. Yeah, tell them about you now. Once you name Dana, I want to see everything.
And you
I
have
want to see the
know
eagle them and the
difference.
people them down at town where I
Now,
use
when
her.
it comes to the begging part, when Selonie asks you for money, right? And many times we see you on your live and you're telling her, Selonie, me don't have no money, go on your way. Selonie, me don't give you money this morning already. I don't give you money last night already.
saw
Selonie,
natural
go
love
your
go.
ways. But at the end of it,
Genuine
you
love?
still end up giving it to
Yes,
her.
a genuine love. That's how it go.
And by
It
you
might not
continue
good.
to do that,
If you learn
you
to wall
continue
out, but
to
a genuine love
encourage her
cause it.
and make
And
her
the
feel like,
softness
you
of
know
her
what,
heart
me
also.
and
Not
God
just a
Dana
genuine
yard,
love.
whether she want me there or not, me gonna ask her for your money. I mean, no, she have to give it to me. Why? Because many times she tell me no, and she still give me. So me don't know already. So me okay, if she wants to say no 1,000,000 times, me still gonna beg, me still gonna ask, me still gonna
This
go.
a can't why if you come out and come to the video, you know. Because we all know this.
Dana, you are in control.
But your message is clear,
of the
Queen
situation
was.
between
We
you
just
and
want to know
Selonie.
if it's something where you know a plan.
You
Or something
are
where
the
you hear
one
of.
in control
We don't know.
of that. And only you alone could
Because
put
people
a
like you
stop
can't trust it enough because you was
to
all
that
over the
situation.
town.
And because of what I mentioned before and the danger that you could place yourself in when it comes to Selonie, and don't forget, it's already documented that she's mentally ill. So who better anyone would try to use to come at you other than Selonie, knowing she may get away with it scot-free? Because it's documented that she's a mentally challenged person. So therefore, she may just get away with it scot-free. Be careful.
It won't happen.
Be
That
careful,
will
be
never
careful,
happen.
Be careful. I can
Bada
tell
cat.
you enough how you need to be
Hold on.
careful.
Bada
You
cat. Bada cat. You hear a queen was say a while ago? You hear? Alright, tell her where I go on.
Or that now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that.
If you want to help her, if you want to, do it from afar, send someone else to go deliver the money, deliver the groceries, deliver the clothes, whatever it is that you have for her.
That now stop Selonie if I'm come at 99. If you put security there, she has to stay out there and create a scene out of Mountain View and Lane Mount.
We can't stop you from, assisting her because of the heart that you have. But I'm saying to you, you try to distance yourself away from her as much as possible that you can for your own
because
safety.
I understand you still, because the camps them where you come from, you know who is who and who is not one with them people are doing.
Advice to you.
Because you were a part of all
not,
over social media that were against over yourself.
Be stubborn, but I'm only telling you what I sense in my spirit. Be very careful. They will use
where you should use
her
with your
as
spirit
a
and
tool to
drown
come
him.
for you.
Or if it's a she, you will and choke her.
Again,
But your
Miss
spirit,
D,
your spirit,
alright?
your spirit.
Anyway, other than that,
Eh?
big up yourself.
Which part of your spirit?
Congratulations.
Speak my mind, people. We don't want no more flowers shine about congratulations. Big up yourself. As I said, today name a Wasp day, because I have another video to play later. If me put it with that one, you can just want one video and get rid of them, I know. But guess what, me know? It's going to make the video too long. So, basically, we just stay tuned later. Another video should come out again with the same HTK trying to mix, she try to mix Dana. And with the banning situation, and I try to tell HTK say she go like she too smart. Plus, me come across a video for Dirty Larry the Lizard. Right. But me didn't even want to play it. Me I go make one man name what? Dirty Jamaica, something like so. Give her a piece of film. Pretend, because it sound like I'm pretending to the same video. So me and them now go play the Larry the Lizard video. Because them so boring to me. Because she come out and talk about man who eat Dana food and I say, this a food that coming like a goal or sitting. I don't know what kind of food, must say the same ticket business. With the sitting where I keep in Florida. Some man I make talk over and she jump on it and I talk all kind of sitting. You understand? So me even want to talk about the video later with the next completion of this year one year. So no stay tuned. Do they do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and like the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Who no go over there go watch me and Blanca Bassa shop. Upper price smart, go over there and just go over there, hit the subscription button, because many more of them videos they wanna likely to miss if you not over there. I wanna can stroll and go see where go on over there. Drama, outdoor cooking, indoor cooking, entertainment, newscast, commentary and all. It's just a family oriented channel. The only time something might go on over there is like if me have a little bar drama them. I don't know when Roman want to bust in a room and them talk all kind of things. I don't know we see that in the title. Because as I'm telling you my video them is uncut. And as you see, you know I can keep it. Something happening in the video. Yesterday when I post over there, the same price mark video. And as I say, if me a man and do video uncut, I would know say that then the video what me never even know. So I would cut it out. You understand? So tomorrow as I say, a big apology over the channel. So just go over there and subscribe. Remember Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Give her a subscription. Remember the cash app you give me give the gift to the needy and not the greedy. $ Charms and Trends. Bless upon yourself. And remember go support Charm and Trends. Check out them business page on Instagram. Charm _and_ trends. Charm _and_ trends. And the website is charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Happy Monday.